A very good afternoon to one and all. Now let us begin with the felicitation ceremony, for which we all have been eagerly gathered here, and for which you all have been struggling, sweating, bleeding, and stressing about since last 5.5 years. So without much ado, we would like to request the Dean, Dr. Dipti Shah ma'am, and our esteemed chief guest, Dr. Sudhir Shah sir, and guest of honor, Dr. Anil Nayak sir, Dr. Leena Dabhi ma'am, Superintendent of LG Hospital, Deputy Superintendent Dr. Mahesh Madhole sir, Jwalin Halani sir, Deputy Director of Narendra Modi Medical College, to please come forward and felicitate the graduates with the degrees. Dr. Zubia Sheikh, daughter of Ghazala and Zafran Alam Sheikh, gold medalist community medicine. We would like to give our heartiest congratulations to her. We applaud her hard work, dedication, and perseverance. Dr. Ashna Engineer, daughter of Nidhi, Darina and Harsh Engineer.
Dr. Astha Upadhyay, daughter of Nidhi and Jignesh Upadhyay.
Dr. Ayush Shah, son of Dr. Hiren and Nipa Shah.
Dr. Aditi Padmani, daughter of Hansa and Vinod Padmani.
Dr. Aman Patel, son of Dr. Jaimin and Dr. Geeta Patel.
Dr. Amit Chauhan, son of Geeta Ben and Jitesh Bhai Chauhan.
Dr. Anandi Solanki, daughter of Hiriben and Parpadbhai Solanki.
Dr. Ananya Sharma, daughter of Gitanjali and Darshan Sharma.
Dr. Angela Varghese, daughter of Jesse and Alexander Varghese.
Dr. Anish Jain, son of Kishore and Vaishali Jain.
Dr. Ankit Jain, son of Hansa Devi and Gautam Chand Jain.
Dr. Ankit Patel, son of Geeta Ben and Rajesh Bhai Patel.
Dr. Archana Patel, daughter of Sita Ben and Dhirubhai Patel.
Dr. Arya Patel, son of Tarlika Ben and Pramil Bhai Patel.
Dr. Ashish Salvi, daughter of Sheetal and Ashish Salvi.
સુધીર સર નીકળે છે એવું થેન્ક્સ કરીને સરને મોડું થાય છે નીકળવા. સુધીર સરને હવે આ પતે ને એટલે સુધીર સરનું કંઈ બધું જાય છે એમને જવાનું છે ખાલી સુધીર સર ઓકે સાથે લાવી.
Thank you, Sudhir Shah, sir, for your valuable time and your blessings. Thank you very much, sir.
સરને
I wish all the best to all the graduates and congratulations for your achievement and best wishes for your future endeavors. Thank you. Before all, as I have another occupations to attend, kindly allow me to leave. Thank you, Dean Madam, and all for all this beautiful opportunity. Thank you.
જેનું પતિ ગયું ને પેરેન્ટ્સના લંચ માટે મોકલી દે.
Those who have received their degrees can go for lunch. Their parents can go for lunch.
ગાડી લઈને આવશો અને લંચનું કરજો.
Dr. Ashlesha Patel, daughter of Amitaben and Shailesh Bhai Patel.
8385 ગાડી સાઈડ કરી દો. 8385
Dr. Asia Anarwala, daughter of Sarwat and Mohammad Owais Anarwala.
Dr. Avni Baldania, daughter of Vanita and Chunilal Baldania.
Dr. Barkha Vairagi, daughter of Jaya and Baldev Giri Vairagi.
નામ पीटी खोली रख, पीटी खोली रख. Dr. Bhaumik Patel, son of Bikhiben and Praveen Bhai Patel.
Dr. Bhavya Jain, daughter of Karuna and Kishore Jain.
Dr. Charmi Patel, daughter of Palak and Alpesh Patel.
Dr. Chelsea Christie, daughter of Sangeeta and Nilesh Christie.
Dr. Devansh Patel, son of Reena and Dr. Dimple Patel.
Dr. Devanshi Maru, daughter of Alpa and Mulchand Maru.
Ladies and gentlemen, please encourage the graduates. Please keep encouraging the graduates. Dr. Dhairya Trivedi, daughter of Kaushika and Jayesh Trivedi.
Dr. Dharmi Joshi, daughter of Priya Ben and Divyesh Bhai Joshi.
Dr. Dhrumil Desai, son of Chandrika Ben and Suresh Bhai Desai.
Dr. Dhruv Parmar, son of Urvashi Ben and Kirti Kumar Parmar.
Dr. Dhruvi Pathak, daughter of Uma and Kaumin Kumar Pathak.
ગાડીનો અનાઉન્સમેન્ટ કરતો ને ત્યારે અડધી કલાકથી વચ્ચે પડી જાય.
Dr. Dhruvi Khund, daughter of Trupti and Nilesh Khund.
Guys, there's a car number which is obstructing the way, GJ01HY8325. Please attend to the car. GJ01HY8325. Dr. Dhruvi Limbachia, daughter of Bhagwati Ben and Harshad Bhai Limbachia.
Dr. Dhwani Modi, daughter of Lopa and Jigar Modi.
Dr. Dinky Shah, daughter of Dimple and Amit Shah. Dr. Dwij Patel, son of Mita and Bhavin Patel.
Dr. Fanny Chaudhary, daughter of Jashoda and Ashwin Kumar Chaudhary.
Guys, a little round of applause won't hurt us. Thank you very much. Dr. Foram Kotak, daughter of Neeta and Rajnikant Kotak.
Dr. Foram Parikh, daughter of Ranjan and Prashant Parikh.
Dr. Gilman Ansari, son of Farida Bibi and Nihal Ahmed Ansari.
Dr. Girish Prajapati, son of Geeta Ben and Sadaji Prajapati.
Dr. Gopal Khodifad, son of Nainaben and Vittal Bhai Khodifad.
Dr. Hani Patel, daughter of Manisha and Rajendra Kumar Patel.
Dr. Harsh Dobaria, son of Payal and Jayesh Dobaria. Parents, please keep encouraging the graduates. Thank you.
ડૉક્ટર યામિની મેડમ અને ડૉક્ટર શીતલ મેડમ બેને ઇન્વાઇટ કરી.
Okay.
Dr. Harshdeep Jadhav, son of Aruna Ben and Salesh Bhai Jadhav. Dr. Hetvi Joshi, daughter of Swati and Rakesh Joshi.
Thank you, Leena ma'am. Thank you, Jwalin sir. Now we would humbly like to request Dr. Yamini Trivedi ma'am, HOD Gynecology, and Dr. Saumil Merchant sir, HOD Forensic Medicine, and Dr. Sheetal Vyas ma'am, HOD Community Medicine. Yes. Dr. Hinal Deshmukh, daughter of Yamuna Ben and Raman Bhai Deshmukh.
I think everything has been told by respected sirs. Just one thing we would like to say from the point of view of Narendra Modi Medical College administration, that we are very much ready to accept you once again, as you must be knowing that we are having 185 seats. So wish you all the best for your NEET exams, and we had a wonderful time with you. Very good batch 2018 will be remembered for long, and at the same time I would like to thank the team who has done this management, a wonderful managed event. Wish you all the best, guys, and thanks once again for this wonderful management. Thank you.
Thank you for your encouraging words, sir. Dr. Isha Phatak, daughter of Sanu and Sanjeev Phatak.
Dr. Ishita Trivedi, daughter of Preeti and Jigar Trivedi.
Dr. Jagjit Parmar, son of Nimuben and Keshubhai Parmar.
Dr. Jainil Bhatt, son of Parul and Devang Bhatt.
Dr. Janvi Sadhwani, daughter of Rekha and Kamlesh Sadhwani. Thank you very much, Dr. Anil Naik, sir, for your encouraging words and your valuable time. Thank you very much. Dr. Jay Wasawa, son of Rekhaben and Ashok Bhai Wasawa.
Dr. Jaideep Singh Gohil, son of Ramaben and Ram Singh Bhai Gohil.
Dr. Jimmy Patel, daughter of Geetaben and Harshad Bhai Patel. Thank you very much, Dean ma'am, for taking time out of your busy schedule to felicitate the graduates. Thank you very much, ma'am. We appreciate it. हाँ जी हाँ जी हाँ जी ठीक है ठीक है
ओथ पार्ट है
हाँ जी हाँ जी
Dr. Juhi Shah, daughter of Swati and Alkesh Shah.
Dr. Khushi Choksi, daughter of Hetal and Bhagirath Choksi.
Dr. Khyati Nakum, daughter of Anjana Ben and Sanjay Bhai Nakum.
Dr. Kinjal Panchal, daughter of Sushila Ben and Vasant Bhai Panchal.
मेघा मैम हर्षा मैम अनुपमा मैम ने इनवाइट करा
गिरी का हमने बोला Dr. Kinjal Chaudhary, daughter of Hasuben and Vinay Bhai Chaudhary.
अनुपमा महंत मैम ऑप्थल एचओडी અને હર્ષા મકવાના મેમ ઇમરજન્સી મેડિસિન એચઓડી હર્ષા મકવાના અને અનુપમા મહંત મેમ ઓપ્થલ
We would like to request Dr. Anupama Mahant ma'am, HOD Ophthalmology, and Dr. Harsha Makwana ma'am, HOD Emergency Medicine, to please come onto the stage and felicitate the graduates. Dr. Krishani Patel, daughter of Chandni and Sunil Patel. नहीं नहीं
Dr. Krupali Patel, daughter of Sharda Ben and Bharat Bhai Patel.
Dr. Mamta Bhalia, daughter of Kashiben and Jethabhai Bhalia.
Dr. Manav Ladwa, son of Dipali Ben and Hitesh Bhai Ladwa.
Dr. Meet Ghonia, son of Geeta and Ashok Ghonia.
Dr. Mihir Goswami, son of Meenakshi and Mahesh Goswami.
Dr. Mittal Sonara, daughter of Jasumati and Jagdish Chandra Sonara.
Dr. Monica Tiwari, daughter of Mamta and Ram Vishal Tiwari.
Dr. Nairuti Patel, daughter of Alpesh and Mittal Patel.
Dr. Naived Patel, son of Jankhana and Vijay Patel.
Dr. Naiya Shah, daughter of Rajesh Kumar and Jigna Ben Shah. કેવી વાતો કરે Dr. Nancy Patel, daughter of Nilesh and Darshna Ben Patel.
Dr. Navneet Bhuth, son of Vasant Ben and Premji Bhai Bhuth.
Dr. Nancy Panchal, daughter of Trupti and Hiren Panchal.
Dr. Nirali Gajera, daughter of Rekha Ben and Shailesh Bhai Gajera.
सीनियर्स 2 रोटियां और खा लेना बट प्लीज़ तालियां मत रुकनी चाहिए प्लीज़ कीप एनकरेजिंग दीज डॉक्टर निशा बाबरिया डॉटर ऑफ मधुबेन एंड धीरज भाई बाबरिया
Dr. Nishil Inani, son of Manjuben and Suresh Chandra Inani.
Dr. Niyati Hirani, daughter of Preeti and Nilesh Hirani.
Dr. Palak Rawal, daughter of Geeta Rawal.
हाँ थैंक यू
शीतल मैम અને યામિની મેમને થેન્ક યુ ભાઈ શીતલ મેમ અને યામિની મેમને થેન્ક યુ કહેવાનું છે
શીતલ મેમ અને યામિની મેમ Sheetal ma'am and Yamini ma'am, thank you very much for your blessings. Thank you, ma'am. And I would like to request Dr. Harsha Makwana ma'am and Dr. Anupama Mahant ma'am to please felicitate the graduates. Dr. Pankil Thakur, son of Dr. Neelam and Deepak Thakur.
પરમ પટેલ છે ને ના ચાહે તો ને
Dr. Param Patel, son of Prabha and Chandulal Patel.
Dr. Parth Trivedi, son of Vijaya and Deepak Trivedi.
Dr. Peenal Patel, daughter of Leelaben and Dinubhai Patel.
Dr. Prachi Upadhyay, daughter of Manisha and Dr. Hitesh Upadhyay.
Dr. Prachi Mode, daughter of Vidita Ben and Hitesh Kumar Mode.
ઠીક છે
Dr. Pranav Kansaria, son of Krishna Ben and Banjibai Kansaria.
Dr. Pranjal Palan, daughter of Snehal and Sunil Palan.
આપી જ દેવી છે ને એટલે પછી બધા જાય પછી જે કરવું હોય કરો એમ કારણ કે નથી થાય અત્યારે મેં ફેકલ્ટીસને બોલાવ્યા છે વચ્ચેથી હવે આવે છે ત્યાં સુધી આનું ચલાવી રાખો વચ્ચે ગેપ પડે તો ઊભી છું અને મેં બોલાવ્યા છે આ બોલાવો આમાંથી એકને જવો તો હું આવી જઈશ પણ ત્યાં સુધી શું કહેવાય મેં બોલાવ્યા છે લોકો આવે છે ને એમને કહ્યું 10 મિનિટમાં પહોંચો એટલા આવે છે જોતા રહો ને
Dr. Prayushi Pandya, daughter of Dr. Sejal and Dr. Haren Pandya.
Dr. Priya Shah, daughter of Bijal and Umang Shah.
ડૉક્ટર ભાવેશ લાકડાવાલા સર સાયકેટ્રી એચડી આયા છે ઉપર જેનિસ બોલાવે નામ કહી
આવી ગયા આવી ગયા
I would request Dr. Bhavesh Lakdawala, sir, Psychiatry Department HOD, to please come on the stage and felicitate the graduates.
Dr. Priyanka Ruparel, daughter of Manisha and Dr. Paresh Ruparel.
નીચે બેહાડો ત્યારે બધી ત્યાં લોકોને દેવા દેવાડતા હોય લાકડા લાવે એટલે આમાંથી જતા રહેશે આપણે બસ ટીચર્સ નથી ટીચર્સને બોલાવ્યા છે આપણે કોલ કરીને કીધું
સર પ્લીઝ કમ ઓન એ રીતે મેં અત્યારે મેં કીધું હતું કે પહેરા દો પછી કરો એટલે હવે થયું કે ઉપર આવે ત્યારે પહેરીને રેડી થાય ને એટલે કહેવાનું કે ફેલિસિટેટ કરે છે.
Dr. Raj Shah, son of Kalpana and Dhananjay Shah.
તું બોલ છે.
Dr. Rajvardhan Singh Chauhan, son of Dharmishta Ba and Jayendra Singh Chauhan.
I request Dr. Bhavesh Lakdawala sir, Psychiatry Department HOD, to felicitate our graduates with their degrees. Thank you, sir. Dr. Rajvi Shah, daughter of Kajal and Mehul Shah.
Dr. Rajveer Modi, son of Smita and Himanshu Modi.
Dr. Ravi Sharma, son of Neeraj and Vandana Sharma.
Dr. Razima Sheikh, daughter of Dilshad Banu and Imtiaz Hussain Sheikh.
Dr. Riya Chaudhary, daughter of Maniben and Madhapai Chaudhary.
Dr. Ruchita Rayani, daughter of Bhavna Ben and Ashwin Bhai Rayani. I would like to request Dr. Grishma Thakur ma'am to felicitate the graduates. I would like to request Dr. Grishma Thakur ma'am, Assistant Professor Pathology, to felicitate the graduates.
Dr. Rutvi Patel, daughter of Mamta and Dr. Atul Patel.
Dr. Rutvi Patel, daughter of Asha and Govind Patel.
Dr. Rutvi Shah, daughter of Twinkle and Soren Shah.
Dr. Rutvik Dodia, son of Lata Ben and Jessing Bhai Dodia.
Everyone, please keep applauding our graduates. Dr. Saurabh Jain, son of Dr. Sangeeta and Dr. Sudhir Jain.
Dr. Shivangi Jogia, daughter of Aruna Ben and Jayesh Bhai Jogia.
Dr. Shivani Dwivedi, daughter of Rajni and Mahesh Dwivedi.
Dr. Shivanshi Rami, daughter of Mittal and Bhavesh Rami.
Dr. Shivraj Gadvi, son of Pallavi and Dinesh Gadvi.
Dr. Shyam Dolakia, son of Jignasha Ben and Jitendra Bhai Dolakia.
Dr. Shreya Vyas, daughter of Seema and Deepak Vyas. Done, done.
Dr. Siddharth Patel, son of Jyotsna Ben and Ravindra Kumar Patel.
ડૉક્ટર બિરેન પરીખ અને ડૉક્ટર સ્વાતિ પરીખ આવ્યા છે. ડૉક્ટર સ્વાતિ પરીખ અને બિરેન પરીખ તમે જોયા. બે જણાને લઈને ડ્રોપ આપે પછી
Dr. Smruti Sangada, daughter of Daksha and Manharbhai Sangada.
ડૉક્ટર સ્વાતિ પરીખ પ્રોફેસર એન્ડ ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યૂટ ઓફ પેથોલોજી ડિપાર્ટમેન્ટ એન્ડ ડૉક્ટર બિરેન પરીખ એસોસિએટ પ્રોફેસર પેથોલોજી ડિપાર્ટમેન્ટ. બરાબર.
Dr. Sneha Hathi, daughter of Barnali and Sirsendu Hathi.
Dr. Spruha Jhuwar, daughter of Vibha and Parimal Jhuwar.
પેથોલોજીના એકચ્યુઅલી એ કરી દો ને. હા ઇશારો.
Dr. Sruja Shah, daughter of Kanan and Sanjay Shah.
Dr. Swayam Shah, son of Archita and Sunil Shah.
There is an announcement. This car is obstructing the way, so please, whosoever car GJ number and
There is an announcement. Car number GJ06 KP 5977 and GJ01WL 7267 is obstructing the pathway. So whosoever it is, so please move it from the center.
Dr. Tanisha Gautam, daughter of Nidhi and Vivek Gautam.
Dr. Tithi Bindra, daughter of Kiran and Birendra Bindra.
Dr. Unnat Gandhi, son of Parulben and Hirenbhai Gandhi.
Dr. Vaidehi Shah, daughter of Dr. Samipa and Dr. Jigar Shah. And Samipa ma'am is a professor of gynecology at SCL Hospital.
I would like to request Dr. Swati Parikh ma'am, HOD Patho Department, and Dr. Biren Parikh sir, Associate Professor Pathology Department, to come and felicitate our graduates.
अनाउंस करना है कि जैसे ये सब खत्म हो उसके बाद एवरीबडी प्लीज बी सीटेड फॉर दी ओथ.
Dr. Vedant Sadhu, son of Dr. Hasmukh and Pravina Sadhu. Everybody please be seated after the felicitation for the oath ceremony. Dr. Vedant Gupta, son of Rakhi and Rakesh Gupta. Dr. Vibhuti Patel, daughter of Shobna Ben and Ratilal Patel. Dr. Vishal Chaudhary, son of Khana Bhai and Diwali Ben Chaudhary. Guys, please keep applauding our graduates. Dr. Vishwa Patel, daughter of Hemlata Ben and Hitesh Kumar Patel. Dr. Vivek Singh Rathod, son of Indu Ben and Ajit Singh Rathod. Dr. Vrutika Soni, daughter of Shivani and Sushant Soni.
ત્યાં હાલ ફોટો ના પડાવે ત્યાં પછી ત્યાં ફોટો સેશન કરી ક્રાઉડ છે નીચે બી
Dr. Yash Patel, son of Devangi and Ajay Patel.
Dr. Yash Pathak, son of Hetal and Rajesh Pathak.
સાંભળને એવું કહી દઉં ને કે સેરેમની પતે પછી પ્લીઝ ત્યાં ફોટો બૂથ પર
It's a request to all the parents and graduates that you can please click photos at the photo booth after the ceremony.
Dr. Zain Sherasya, son of Dr. Ismat Ben and Dr. Mehboob Bhai Sherasya.
Dr. Zehra Haveliwala, daughter of Munira and Osif Haveliwala.
Guys, Dean ma'am will honor us with the oath ceremony, so I would request all the graduates and parents to please settle down. Dr. Zeenal Patel, daughter of Naina Ben and Pankaj Kumar Patel.
અનિશબેન કે તમે હેન્ડલ કરો અમને આપણે કોઈ કરી નહીં.
Dr. Alka Bhagora, daughter of Basuben and Chandubai Bhagora.
Dr. Deepika Damor, daughter of Kamla Ben and Jagdish Bhai Damor.
કયો નંબર છે? 135.
Dr. Grishma Motalia, daughter of Kamla Ben and Jaswant Bhai Motalia. There is an announcement. There are two cars which are obstructing the path. So whosoever is concerned, please move them immediately. GJ06 KP 5977 and GJ01 WL 7267. Thank you.
Sara.
Dr. Jeel Patel, son of Niruben and Mukesh Bhai Patel.
Dr. Jeenal Nayaka, daughter of Bharti Ben and Rajesh Bhai Nayaka.
Dr. Kreenal Chaudhary, daughter of Kusum Ben and Hari Singh Bhai Chaudhary.
Dr. Mihir Senta, son of Manisha Ben and Ashok Bhai Senta.
એટલે જ ચોરી કરું છું.
Dr. Palak Vikarni, daughter of Rekhaben and Kailash Bhai Vikarni.
બોલી દેજો ને પાછા બે નામ પછી બોલી દેજો.
Dr. Prince Shah, son of Neeta Ben and Bharat Kumar Shah.
Dean ma'am will honor us with the oath ceremony, so I would request all the graduates to please settle down. Graduates, please settle down. Dean ma'am will honor us with the oath ceremony in some time.
Dr. Saloni Parmar, daughter of Bhavna Ben and Ramesh Chandra Parmar.
All the graduates, I would humbly request you all to please settle down. Dean ma'am will be with us in a short time. All the graduates are humbly requested to please take their seats. Thank you.
Dr. Saroj Damor, daughter of Ilaben Damor.
પણ એ એમની ભૂલ નથી, સાંભળતા ના આવે.
Dr. Sheetal Ninama, daughter of Kamla and Popatlal Ninama.
A humble request to all the graduates to please settle down. Dean ma'am will be here with us in some time. Dr. Aditya Choksi, son of Anar and Chintan Choksi.
Dr. Anamika Vasawa, daughter of Jashoda Ben Raghuveer Singh Vasawa.
Dr. Ayushi Patel, daughter of Alka and Gautam Solanki.
મીટિંગનું અનાઉન્સમેન્ટ ડીન મેડમ આવે જ છે હવે. આ પછી એવું તરત સ્ટાર્ટ થઈ જશે હવે. અનાઉન્સ કરે તો બધા ફટાફટ સેટલ થઈ જાય. કરે જ જાવ તો જ.
All the graduates, please settle down fast. The oath ceremony will start in a short time.
Dr. Janvi Patel, daughter of Shilpa and Kiran Patel.
Dr. Jyoti Chaudhary, daughter of Nirmala Ben and Shagan Bhai Chaudhary.
Dr. Richa Damor, daughter of Jignasa Ben and Ashwin Bhai Damor.
The felicitation ceremony is about to end, so all the graduates please settle down fast for the oath ceremony.
Dr. Vilasini Patel, daughter of Sumitra Ben and Ishwar Lal Patel.
Dr. Akash Gherwara, son of Ajit Kumar and Purnima.
Thank you, Grishma Thakur ma'am and Dr. Biren Parikh sir for facilitating the graduates. Grishma Thakur
Thank you, Grishma Thakur ma'am and Dr. Biren Parikh sir for felicitating our graduates.
That comes with the title of doctor. Today, as they take this solemn oath, they pledge to uphold the highest standards of professionalism, integrity, and ethical conduct in all aspects of their practice. Let us stand by them as they embark on the noble journey of healing and service. May you continue to strive for excellence, uphold the principles of your profession, and to make a meaningful difference in the life of others. I would like to invite our respected Dean, Dr. Dipti Shah ma'am, for the further proceedings.
રેડી પાછળ બધા રેડી ઓકે થેન્ક યુ I, the undersigned, solemnly take this oath that I solemnly pledge myself to consecrate my life to service and humanity. Even under threat, I will not use my medical knowledge contrary to laws of humanity. I will maintain the utmost respect for human life from the time of conception. I will not permit consideration of religion, nationality, race, party politics, or social standing for intervene between my duty and my patient. I will practice my profession with conscience and dignity. The health of my patient will be my first consideration. I will respect the secrets which are confined in me. I will give my teachers the respect and gratitude which is their due. I will maintain by all means in my power the honor and noble traditions of medical profession. I will treat my colleagues with all respect and dignity. I shall abide by the code of medical ethics as enunciated in the Indian Medical Council Regulations 2002. I make these promises solemnly, freely, and upon my honor. May the Almighty give me strength and wisdom to observe the oath I have taken today. Thank you. હવે 3, 2, 1 કરીએ છીએ આપણે. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
એકવાર વિડીયો માટે ખાલી પાછું કરવું છે. બધા પાછા ફેંકીશું. હા, કેપ લેફ્ટ સાઈડ મૂવ કરજો, લેફ્ટ ટુ રાઈટ. કેપ અહીંયા જોઈ લો એકવાર. કેપ લેફ્ટ ટુ રાઈટ અને પછી થ્રો.
On the count of 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
એક સેકન્ડ ખાલી બોલા દે મોર ફન છે થોડુંક સેટ અરે અહીંયા બોલતા ને ખાલી
Congratulations everyone.
થોડું ઇન્ટ્રોડક્શન તો કરી દીધું એ ગાય છે
આવો લઈ લે.
Congratulations everyone. I have something for all of you. कब मिलेंगे न जाने हम यारों फिर से सभी लौट कर अब न आएंगे वो मस्ती भरे दिन कभी ओ दिल ये अपना कहे कि ऐ दोस्तों I'm really gonna miss this place. I'm gonna miss my college days. I'm really gonna miss this place. I'm gonna miss my college days. याद है वो सारे लेक्चर्स हमने जो बंक किए थे, प्रॉक्सी का पकड़ा जाना, लफड़े क्या कम किए थे। ओ मिलके लिखना वो जर्नल्स, सबमिशंस थे लास्ट में करते, एग्ज़ाम्स की वो तैयारी, लिखना वो 3 घंटे और बाहर आके ये कहना क्या बकवास पेपर था यार। ओ मिलता फर्स्ट क्लास कभी यहाँ तो देते थे सप्ली कभी, लौट कर अब न आएंगे वो मस्ती भरे दिन कभी। उधर ये अपना कहे कि है दोस्तों, wow, I'm really gonna miss this place. I'm gonna miss my college days. याद आएंगे टीचर्स हमको दिल से हमेशा, याद आएगा ये कैंपस और इसकी अपनी दुनिया। ओ याद आएगा हमेशा ये आशियाँ। Tirarariro, I'm really gonna miss this place. I'm gonna miss my college days. I'm really gonna miss this place. I'm gonna miss my college days. Thank you.
Dean ma'am, with your guidance, we have done a small gesture and we want to show it to you. Please play the video.
Just one more tear to cry, one teardrop from my eye. You better save it for the middle of the night when things aren't black and white. And the troubadour, remember 24.
Ma'am, we gathered some money and we donated it for those who are needy about it. Ma'am, education and
फूल भेजेंगे आपको तो जाओगे? हैं? रोज जमीन पे हाथ दिखाएं। हाँ। मेरा नाम घर में अच्छा से पढ़ती है, इसको स्कूल भेजना है, लेकिन हम पढ़ा नहीं पाते हैं। ये आप लिखवा दोगे, पढ़ाओगे तो हम रोज भेजेंगे।
अरे रुको तो सही, कहाँ जा रहे हो?
Just trust me, you'll be fine. Another version of me. I waved goodbye to
on the behalf of my whole batch, I want thank you so much to all my professors and thank you so much to all my friends. તમારા વગર આ જર્ની ઇનકમ્પ્લીટ હતી. I'll eagerly wait to see success in all of your lives. This is CR Ankit Jain signing off.
As we draw this event to a closure, I stand before you with a heart full of gratitude and appreciation. Today has been a day of celebration, reflection, and camaraderie made possible by the collective efforts of many. I extend my deepest gratitude towards all of you for gracing this ceremony. Your support and encouragement has been instrumental in shaping the success of our graduates. But today it hasn't come to an end. It's just the beginning. Our aspirations and ambitions are much higher. As Robert Frost says, we have promises to keep and miles to go before we sleep. As juniors, when we see your journey, it inspires us and guides us as we embark on a path beyond these walls. We thank our Dean, Dr. Dipti Shah ma'am, for being the light in our lives. These things wouldn't have been possible without your vision, ma'am. The relentless efforts of Dr. Saumil Merchant sir, to always be there for students and provide them with safe environment in the campus. Let's not forget Dwalin Halani sir, the anti-ragging team head, who especially ensures our parents with our well-being. Further extending my gratitude to our faculties for sharing their wisdom, insights and inspiration. Indeed, they are great sculptors who have shaped the medicos into good clinicians. The efforts that parents have given in to make them doctors is relentless, and thank you for gracing this event and making it more special for their children.
I would also like to express my sincere appreciation to all those who made this event possible, worked tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure the smooth execution of this event. Thank you, Dr. Arhan, Dr. Nalambi, Haley, Margi, Pushti, Jenish, and Shivam. A heartfelt gratitude to the volunteers for all the on-ground helps. Special thanks to Dr. Daksh and the staff and the entire LG team for making this ceremony a great success. And joy. And lastly, I, Dharmi,
and I, Dhruvi,
with warm heart and happy smiles are signing off. Thank you one and all.